Hey guys, welcome back to another video more at Homestead. Before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We have got something in the trap. I checked it when I got home from work. Kids just got in, and Hunter's got his spear with him. Is that for protection?
Hunter, you're holding it upside down.
Okay, what do you think it is, Holly?
I don't know.
Hunter, what do you think it is?
Take a guess.
You think it's another hedgehog?
No, I think it's the animal.
The animal?
The animal? What do you think? Is it the animal?
Yeah, I think so.
What do you think it is?
I think it's a possum.
I don't know. We'll have to see.
Well, I think it's a raccoon. I think it's a raccoon.
We did feed it some
Raccoon?
cheeseburgers, didn't we? Got some cheeseburger traps.
Hey, there's Shadow.
See,
Well, I'm saying it's the animal or raccoon. That's what my guess is.
All right, well, we're going to run back here and check these traps, and then we will set those T-posts up. So let's get on. Hey, Coach Walker had Band-Aids in her fanny pack.
Yeah.
You like her fanny pack? Yeah.
You want one?
No!
Cassie, if you're watching this, just kidding. We love your fanny pack. I think you're starting a new trend. I do believe you are. I think I might get one to wear with my overalls to keep like pliers in, and you know, just simple tools, hand tools. We'll see.
Hunter!
Ow!
Does that look like it hurt?
Yeah. So I got my chicken legs out today. It was like 70 something degrees and perfect. So I'm
Trying to get suntan?
I'm rocking the shorts today and the t-shirt. All right, hold on, stay there. Stay there. I'll get up. I'll get up here and see if I can get a good view real quick. Here's the cheeseburger bandit.
Hang on.
The cheeseburger bandit.
Did he eat them?
He ate all of them cheeseburgers.
Oh my gosh, there's a bunch in there. Keep your hiney out of the way.
All right. Yeah, come on.
Is that the raccoon? That'd be not.
Hang on, Holly, don't say anything.
It's a raccoon.
The raccoon. What is that, Hunter?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's awesome.
A possum.
Possum? That's not a dadgum hedgehog.
You think it's the same one from before?
No, it looks fatter.
Well, it had 14
It
cheeseburgers.
ate a bunch of cheeseburgers.
That's the Hamburglar. You guys ever seen that show with the Hamburglar?
Oh my. Oh my, he's hissing. Let me poke
Is he
him in
hissing?
the nose. Yep. I can He's showing his teeth at us. He's creepy.
Is he? Let's see. Let me zoom out a little bit. Where'd he go?
He's facing this way.
He's creepy. Ah!
Here comes some kittens.
Oh, he is not happy. Hunter, you want to let him out this time?
No.
No.
I am climbing up a tree.
You're climbing up a tree?
Possums aren't mean.
Yes, they are.
No, sissy.
Possums are not mean.
Then why is it making that
Think he's
creepy
gonna
face?
run in the hole?
Yeah, that's what he did last time.
Hunter, what are you doing back there?
He's getting his spear ready.
All right, here we go. Come here, sissy. Come up on me.
Ah!
Come here, it's all
No,
right.
it's just a possum.
Remember last time it ran straight? That's what I'll do. Ooh, look at
You might get shadow.
look at Shadow. Look. Come here.
He's chatty.
Push in
I
right there.
don't. I'm scared.
See how it's pushed in? Here, lift up right there.
Left up.
Lift up like that.
Oh, Shadow's backing away. He's
Hunter.
like, nope.
Poke.
Poke him. Poke him, Hunter.
I will.
Here he comes. Watch out, Holly.
Into the hole.
I went like this.
What do you think?
I went.
So hamburgers, cilantro, and lettuce,
Cilantro
Catch.
burgers.
possums. What we're going to do, catch a groundhog.
Tomatoes?
You sure, Holly, that's not what you saw? You're not sure, or you are sure?
That's not what we saw.
And it came out of that hole.
Yeah, it was in that hole.
It was just staring at you?
Yeah. I scared it in there.
So
Hunter.
maybe it left.
That was it.
That was it?
No, it wasn't. The thing I
it
saw
was.
was brown. It looked like a beaver.
Hunter,
Yeah, she did. She did come to me and said she found a beaver. And I'm like,
Hunter said it was an otter. That doesn't look like an otter.
It's probably a groundhog.
That looks like a hedgehog, doesn't it?
You got flies on the back of it.
I think it's probably a groundhog that you saw.
Yeah.
So it'd be cool to catch a groundhog.
That's what
Apparently they're hard to catch.
Apparently. What are we going to do to catch this thing?
Put a trap in the ground.
Huh?
Put a trap in the ground.
What if we did this?
Cute, no work. Now, well, it doesn't look like you like cilantro.
No, we're going to figure out something else, aren't we? Put in here.
Like poke them in there.
No, like food-wise.
So we need to Google what do
Garden stuff.
groundhogs-
They eat stuff out of the garden. Vegetables and stuff. So the
Potatoes?
possums and
What if I
coons.
cut up some potatoes?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, try potatoes.
I think that possum's going to keep going in there.
I got carrots in the house too.
Oh, carrots might work. Carrots and potatoes. Put carrots and potatoes in there.
Maybe. We'll see. Right now we have got to go feed the cows and then set up that
Did
T-post.
one come out?
And wire it up to the
behind
fence.
the tree? No, it.
Is that what you did?
I'll whack him.
Hey, careful. All right, let's go. All right, well, just pulled up over here to the T-post and see behind me. I'm going to get them loaded up here and back them over there. And then, what?
Why is that one taller than that one?
Because that's an 8-footer and that's like a 6-footer.
That's 6 feet.
Yep. Nope. 5 feet-ish.
That thing heavy.
Yep.
Don't break this thing. Still dirt up bottom of. Oh my god! Dang it!
This mix did not do very good at all.
Nope.
Not enough water, too much water. It did good on these side ones here. They're hard as a rock, but the middle where the T-posts are, it's not bonding to it and setting up for whatever reason. But see there, got them loaded up. Just not, still see it's got a little movement in there. These are, like I said, these are solid. But this has got a little movement for whatever reason.
Solid.
Hey, can you pull the truck over there for me? So I can hold these T-posts up. Whoa!
Wow. That part always gets me.
Oh, hold on. Oh gosh! All right, grab that camera, Sissy. Hand it to Mama. Oh.
Here, Mama.
Uh-oh.
There's a lip right there.
Hit a miss.
Yeah.
You vacuum cleaner?
Nope.
Vacuum cleaner.
You can stack my stuff up.
Hey, you guys ready to eat?
And no, we have a goat stuck.
I'm waiting for the fight to break out.
He's like, wait a minute, something's touching me. How many eggs we got?
Did you get eggs yesterday?
Yes.
2.
3. 4. 1 banny and 3 regular.
Come on, Andy. Come on. Yeah. Come on, Andy. Move.
Get all puffed up.
3 eggs.
3?
Seriously, I win. Well, there's a banny egg also. There's a banny egg. 3. Daddy, I win.
There's 4?
Yeah, no, it's 3.
Oh, it's 3. Yep.
All right, well, we just got the animals fed, all that stuff. You can see the T-posts here. I'm going to carry them one by one over there, and then I got a short cattle panel I'm going to set on top, both of them right along here. I'm going to tie it and the T-post to the fence, and hopefully this works. I mean, they haven't got out yet, but Lindy, can you see where it's bowed out there on bottom? And that gap, I mean, they're going to start getting out eventually, so
Better get it fixed now.
better get it fixed before they trample it all the way down. And I'll get the other one and put down there at the end. Kind of tie this all together like that onto that. What's this guy? Huh. All right. Here goes nothing. I had some thicker baling wire,
But you can find it.
but I couldn't find it. This is what we got. I don't know if you guys can hear them tongues when they start strutting. Hear them popping. Poof. Listen. Did you hear that? That's so cool. Maybe I'm just weird. Am I just weird?
I think it's cool.
I think it's cool when you're sitting against a tree
In the wild.
in the wild and they don't gobble coming in and you hear that behind you and you know that they're within 15 yards.
Then you get all excited.
Yeah.
Heart racing.
Oh yeah. That's good stuff. Good stuff.
So funny how out of all this fencing area they found the weak spot.
They'll do it. Oh.
They're getting frisky over there.
No, that was the rooster.
Oh, was it chasing the turkey?
Rooster chased that Jake off.
Dad was like, I don't know about this.
Oh my. The doggy. The doggy. Doggy. The doggy.
What's Hunter doing over there?
He said hello.
Hunter's got a big pair of pliers over there.
Oh, oh, oh.
It's not pretty by any means,
At least it's up here where we can't see it.
but I mean, we got a giant T-post here.
It's way up there.
But look, I mean, show a little bit right there. I mean, how rocky it is.
Yeah, jeez. No way you could drive a T-post.
I mean, look at all those rocks over there. It's just, and all over here, it's just those rocks all over the place. So we can't do it, can we?
Can't do it.
Can't do it.
Can't do it. Woo!
Woo. Alrighty, well that's all we got on today's video. It's probably going to be a shorter video, I would think. But every time I say that, I go to edit it and it's actually
Long.
normal or long, 15 minutes. But, well, alright guys, that's all we got on today's video. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. Sorry if I've got to cut one of our heads off. I guess I'll cut mine off.
No, you're talking, don't cut yours off.
Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you
Hit that like button.
And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And.
Ring the notification bell.
Alright. Did you have something, Hunter? Hunter, what's that box on your face? Alright guys, that's all we got on today's video. Until next time, God bless.
It was on my face.